since he needs a little attention, as always, he's going to make the rounds around the room. So you're going to have to twirl your chair around to catch him, okay? And I'm going to say, hi buddy, 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 hi buddy. And he likes a little affection. So he likes a little kiss and he's very affectionate. See, and he lets you kiss him. Hi buddy, hi buddy, hi buddy, hi buddy, hi buddy, hi buddy. And he says hi buddy in a gravelly voice too. But I'm trying to teach him how to talk and he's just not a great talker, but he's a very well-trained bird. He'll go on your finger. Okay, you're gonna have to catch him flying all around. You ready? Okay, we're going to have to catch him. He went in the other room. We should have closed the door. He's supposed to stay in the other room. I should have closed it up. Because I need to get ready. We need to leave. Let's find him and get out of here. There he is. I found him. Just grab him. Let's get going.